Well, hello, Competent Friends. How y'all doing? Say hey, Mama.
Hey, Mama.
We are out here at the church, and we are fixing some pokes for tomorrow morning, or Christmas bag treats. And here is where they're all lined up there. That's a part of them. Here's some empty boxes, and here's apples. And then over here is some more of the bags. And this is what you do. You roll the tops down like this, and then we'll put them under the tree. And they'll be ready for in the morning. Here's the tree. The kids decorated the tree Sunday. Look at all the beautiful ornaments that they put on there. A few of the adults helped. One of the grandpas held his way up high so she could put them on the very tip top. And there's Mom's going to show you inside of one. So that's a poke. If you've never seen a poke.
Got two apples, orange and tangerine, and
Candy bars.
3 candy bars.
3 different candy bars.
And a bag of orange slices in each bag.
And all those had to be filled. I'll give you a little shot here at the church. We're just small, like we told you before. Here is the communion table. And then back there is Mary and Joseph, the nativity. Let me get a little closer. It's up here in the baptistry. I hope y'all can see that. It's beautiful. And we'll have candlelight service. And that'll be the only thing lit in the church. And everything else will be candle. And here is some Christmas costumes. They're getting ready for their little play tomorrow night. The kids are going to present a little play. And it'll be really good. They love that kind of thing. And we love it too. So we told you we'd share the pokes with you. Hey, y'all. Hello, Linda. How are you? Hello from Missouri. Hello, John and Momma. We just come on real quick to show you what the pokes look like. They're just literal paper pokes, and we're going to put them around the tree. That's what they're doing right now. This is Mom's sister. She's been helping with the pokes, and they're carrying them over, and they're putting them under the tree. And then after services tomorrow, everybody will be invited up to pick up their poke before they go. And that's what we do here in our little church. So this is the church this is what we sell the cookbook for, is here at this church. You've been here before. I think you was here last year for poke preparation. Hello, Debbie. Hey, Debbie. Debbie Cotter, Cindy. I remember getting poke bags at church when I was a kid. Naomi, we have done this in this church. This church was established in 1950. So I guess we're 71 years old. And one of our charter members is still alive. Hopefully she'll be able to be here tomorrow and participate in this. But this is just little Oswego. And there's Mama and my Aunt Rita working on the pokes, and we got them all together. It didn't take long. And see how they're wrapping them, turning the tops of them around. That's just the tradition. That's just the way you do it. And they're starting to stack up under the tree. Isn't that pretty? And they'll all be full under there. And tomorrow morning the kids will be excited to see all the pokes. And I think a few of the adults will be excited too. So that's Poke Sunday. And we'll have our Christmas stuff tomorrow. It's hard to believe, isn't it? Isn't it hard to believe that Christmas is already here? Christmas, this time next week will be Christmas Day. 7 days away. My, time is flying. Let's see who else on here. Hey, Miss Brenda, Regina, Teresa. Love the pokes. Merry Christmas from Mary in New York. Hey, Stacy Faulkner. Stacy, you coming up tomorrow? This is our Stacy. I have a Stacy Faulkner who comes to church here. I'm not sure if that was her or not. Hello, Merry Christmas, Anita. Audrey, we love our little church. It's just a small country church, as you can see. We still ring the bell every service. We have a rope that comes down. I don't know if y'all are familiar with that or not, before you go to church. But we still have the bell, and we pull the actual cord every service and ring the bell. I'll take you back in and show you a little bit of something else I want to share with you. Show you the bell. The bell goes up into the ceiling here, and then you hold the rope and you pull it. Probably can't hear it, but the neighbors heard it. And we pull the bell every service to let folks know we're having church. This quilt here, I would get it out and stretch it out, but it's very similar all the way around, but it's got different people's names on it. And this was gifted to actually it was the lady, Miss Jean Moses, our charter member. It was her daughter. She's letting us keep this here at the church for a little while. And it's a quilt that the WMU made, and they have their names hand-stitched in it. And it's all the ladies who worked on the quilt. And this was probably 60 years ago. And this is just a treasure. And they all have their names on there. And it's such a treasure for us to have. And my grandmother's got a square on there. A lot of the ladies who went to church here 60 some years ago's names are on there. So that is such a neat thing. There's Mom and them working some more. There's the tree and the front of the church. So this is Oswego Missionary Baptist Church, and it's our little church. And in the morning, there'll be a lot of folks filling these pews and a lot of children running around. And they'll be so excited to see that everything's done. They decorated the tree last Sunday after church themselves, actually. So we put the tree up, and they filled it up with the ornaments, and it was really special. Mama, you ready to say good night for folks?
Yeah, we're just like
3 bags, and Mama says we're done.
Yeah.
This is a tradition, and we love it. We look forward to it every year. And see, let Mama show you how she twists that top down, don't you, Mama?
Yeah.
Mama, are you cold? You got a hoodie on and a sweatshirt. And...
Well, I'm not cold the way I'm dressed, but I would be cold if I was
Yeah, I am too.
I'm sweating.
Twist it down, Mama. You got it together, don't you?
Yeah, that's it.
That's the last one. And look at the tree. It's full of treats. And those will all be gone tomorrow. And all the children will have a treat. Mama, don't run off. Come over here. Let's say good night to the folks. Are you going to do anything else tonight? You going to cook me supper?
No.
She says no. So we're going to say good night. We just wanted to bring you in and show you the treats and show you the church and just let you enjoy that with us. And it's just our little tradition. If you ever wonder what Poke Sunday was, that's the Pokes. So y'all find you something good to eat today. Make you some memories and enjoy yourselves. Say good night, Mom.
Good night, Mama. God bless you.
Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.